Alrighty, welcome to the daily trade recap here on Wednesday, June 21st, 2023. Today, $388 to the good. Let's talk about those trades and see what happened with our account today. All good stuff. We're still a little bit haunted by a lot of hedges that I had on. I'm going to change up the format a little bit today as opposed to a little bit of slides on each one. We're just going to go jump right into the trading sheet that I've got, and hopefully this works as well for you guys. Makes my life a little bit easier as well. So let's take a look here today at the overall account. At the end of the day, we ended with 3 delta to the positive, which is basically exactly delta neutral. All good with that. 864 is our theta. It's the most theta we've had working in the account all month. So fantastic, 0.31%. So we're liking that. Net lick today moved up a couple $1,000s to 276,470. So we're up about $2,200 or so from yesterday's close. BP usage, though, did jump up a bit today with the market going down, span margin going up, and a new trade or two that we put on, which I'm going to cover with you guys in just a minute, which ended up being a 62% BP use. That is heavy, even though the market's dropping. It's not like we're in a major sell-off, so I've got to lighten my BP load. I've got some trades coming off this week, but if I can't get it back under 60 tomorrow by midday, I will probably look to lighten the load on some trades to get that down closer to 50. Daily realized profit, as we mentioned, $388. We did not have any trades. We closed yesterday and the market was closed on Monday. So this week, $388 to the good. We're up 1,500 on the month, which is a little light, but the main reason, if you start to look at some of these realized, is we've really closed a lot of hedges, which could come back to bite us. We'll see. Let's take a look at the trades we were in today. So I'm going to cover it this way with you. Hopefully this makes sense. So today's first trade, today is our weekly strangle day. So every Wednesday, we're going to close the most profitable strangles, and we're going to open another 90 DTE strangle at the same time. So today we did close this one in gold. So this gold strangle was the August 28th expiration. We opened it for $10.70. It was closed today for $3.30. We ended up making $740 on that trade in 28 days, giving us a premium capture of almost 70% on that trade and a nice return of 27% on the margin in that trade. We also closed an ES strangle with that big run up in ES. We're lucky to at least have not taken a loss on the strangle today. So we did close the August 31st strangle that we put on back on 5/31. We opened it for $25.50. We sold it, or we closed it today for a $24.25 debit, a small $63 winner, but a winner, 5% out of that trade. Done. Okay, you'll see here 2 more hedge trades. If you remember, we had all of these hedges close last week on the 16th. That really hurt our P&L for the weeks, couple $1,000 so far in hedges that just never materialized. The market just never sold off in the time frame we were expecting. We had 2 VIX call spreads that we had on expire today, costing us about $1,000 in total profits on those. Those are in play for over 2 months, and the market never spiked on the VIX. It probably will now that I no longer have any of these hedges on there. But those 2 losses today, wiping out the gains that we had on our weekly strangles. However, we were able to close 2 more trades. So I did have an oil CL September 15th strangle close for 50% winner. Today we put it on the 2nd of June, closed it today automatically for a $450 winner on that trade, 50% winner, 10% on margin on that. And then near the end of the day, we also had an IWM put spread that we put on, the 177, 172 put spread. We entered that on 6/7 for 51 cents. It closed today at a 50% winner. We took in $200 on that trade in just 14 days. Again, roughly a 50% winner, almost 6% on margin for that trade. So overall, a positive day. A lot of hedges are gone, which may or may not be good. We have some other things working, so I feel pretty confident to just let these things expire on the day. What did we get into? Just a couple quick things as I run through my entire little portfolio here. I'm sure you guys are taking a look at it, but we added a new weekly strangle in gold and a new weekly strangle on ES. So we got those working. We added a new long-term 112 trade going out 120 days as well, 121 to be exact. So we added that long-term 112 trade. We have another one falling off on the 30th next week. With strangles on futures, we did close that oil one today. So we opened another oil strangle at the close today. So we added yet another futures strangle. And then we added nothing else. So those were really our main trades that we added for the day. So added, our weekly strangles and an oil strangle as well. Finished the day $388 to the good. So we're rocking and rolling, moving through the week. Hope you guys have a great Wednesday. We'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully we'll close some more stuff to the good. If not, we are positioned extraordinarily well here with almost a perfectly delta neutral portfolio with great theta. We'll let that work for us. All right. So have a fantastic rest of your day. We'll see everybody later. Thanks. Bye-bye.